Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Kayam NewThings. If you are new here and like the content, please don't forget to subscribe to Kayam NewThings and click the notification bell for upcoming latest fashion and lifestyle content. And follow me on Instagram and on Facebook. Today's video is all about Vega Insta Look 1400 foldable hair dryer. At the front of the box, Vega branding, a picture of hair dryer and a picture of brand ambassador Ananya Pandey. Written some text, Insta Look 1400 hair dryer VHDH23 is the model number of this hair dryer. At the side, features like 3 heat spread setting, 2-year warranty, foldable handle, automatic overheat cutout. At the top of the box, you see the MRP is 1450 rupees and I got this hair dryer on Amazon for about rupees 999. Let's unbox the Vega foldable hair dryer. And this is the warranty card that you should fill up. And the next is a user manual book which has some information like the hair dryer itself and safety information. And at this side, friends, you can see the instruction for how to use the hair dryer, and the other side written maintenance and care, etc. Friends, let me take off the plastic packet and show the Vega Insta Look 1400 foldable hair dryer. Wow friends, I love this foldable mechanism. Friends, the motor is strong and gives you a power of 1400 watts. And friends, the motor of the hair dryer is not warming too, even if you are using the hair dryer for a long time. Friends, the cable of the hair dryer is nice and the cable is wide. And this is the hanging loop to hang the hair dryer to your wall, bathroom or even your dressing table. Friends, the power button of the hair dryer is nice. Gives you a 3 heat spread setting and a cool shoot button. Friends, the color of this Vega hair dryer is white and blue. Friends, the nozzle of the Vega hair dryer will give a perfect hair styling. Friends, this hair dryer comes with a non-slip grip handle. Friends, this hair dryer comes with an automatically cut off for better safety. Friends, this hair dryer concentrator matches the color of the nozzle and the power button. The concentrator just do that, they help you to concentrate air flow into your specific area on your head, enabling you to have more control while you are styling. For shiny hair, direct the flow of the nozzle from the root to the ends. Friends, let's take the sound of the Vega Insta Look 1400 foldable hair dryer. Friends, the hair dryer sound is too noisy and loud. What about you? Tells me in the comment section below in the video. Friends, you can style your hair with this hair dryer. This Vega hair dryer gives you the best hair styling such as straight hair, curly hair, wavy hair, etc. And friends, you should always remember one thing, that is used to heat protection, hair serum, spray or cream. Friends, build quality wise of Vega Insta Look 1400 foldable hair dryer quite light rather than other professional Vega hair dryer, but the overall hair dryer is nice to say. And the design of this hair dryer comes with a foldable handle and the fixed nozzle matches the color of the power button and concentrator. And my friend, hair dryer has 2 sides of Vega branding and with 2 sides printed beautiful grey flowers. Friends, on the final conclusion of Vega Insta Look 1400 hair dryer. And friends, there are many reasons to buy this Vega hair dryer, like features wise, this hair dryer comes with 3 heat spread setting with cool shut button and gives you 400 watts of power of output, and it is lighter weight and easy to use, and also foldable handle for easy storage and use. Friends, finally, should we buy or not the Vega Insta Look 1400 foldable hair dryer? Friends, are you looking for the best and budget hair dryer? So this hair dryer is perfect for you. Or friends, you are thinking to upgrading more out of this hair dryer, so I suggest Vega Pro Touch 1800 200 watts professional hair dryer. Vega Use Style 1600 watts foldable hair dryer for men and women. Vega Professional Pro Tri 1800 200 watts hair dryer for men and women. Vega Professional Mighty Mini 1200 watts hair dryer for men and women. Vega Professional Dry 2200 or 2400 hair dryer for men and women. I mention all the hair dryer links in the description box below in the video. That is everything I want to show you about Vega Insta Look 1400 watt foldable hair dryer. I hope are you gonna like the video. If are you gonna like the video, then do give me a thumbs up, and also if you are new here to my channel, then do not forget to subscribe the channel Kayam NewThings. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.